Your Mac Mini might start up fine, but if you keep seeing the message, "You shut down your computer because of a problem," something isn't right. This usually happens when the Mac didn't shut down properly, crashed, or had a kernel panic caused by software conflicts, faulty apps, or even hardware issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem on your Mac Mini so it starts up smoothly without showing this error again. Let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Check recent panic updates. Check recent panic reports. So, first, open up the Finder app, then make sure to tab Applications. And now, find the Utilities. Open up the Utilities, now open up the console. In the left sidebar, tap Crash Reports or System Reports. Look for logs with panic in the name. This shows what caused the crash. Solution 2. Delete Diagnostics Report. Now go to the home screen. Then open the Go option from the top right corner. Next, tap Computer. Then tap the file like Macintosh HD. Now double click to open. Then open the library file. After that, open the logs file. Then open the diagnostic reports file. Now select all the files. Then right click on the mouse. After that, tap on the Move to Trash option. Next, go to the Trash option at the bottom. Now again select all and right click on the mouse. After that, tap Empty Trash. Again, tap Empty Trash. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check Software Update. Open up the settings, then tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If you find any software updates available there, then install the updates. Hope this fixes the issue. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.